Hey guys, how's it going? Brian's Airsoft Reviews here. Today I just thought I'd show you one of my new zippos. It's an Arsenal zippo, Arsenal Football Club zippo. If any of you have subscribed and watched my other videos, you'd know that I had a Zippo Black Crackle. Well, this is the Black Crackle, the exact same one. But I have now an Arsenal emblem on it and the UEFA Champions League emblem on it. That's what it's called anyway. So it's basically just a Zippo Black Crackle with this stuck on it, and I just thought I'd put up this video to show you guys and leave a few comments to what you think of it. It's the exact same Zippo Black Crackle. See if I can focus this. I don't know if you can see that. Zippo D Bradford PA, made in USA. It's the exact same Zippo. No lighter fluid in it. Have the Arsenal emblem and the Champions League emblem. One is on the base here and one's on the lid. It slides open. I think it's nice because when you hold it down, it looks like the two of them are together. Pop it up, they're separate. Stuck it on myself. I don't know, it's a personal thing. I support Arsenal, and you know, you probably wouldn't want to buy it if you're in the shops and you've seen it, but I suppose I made it myself and I was bored and I just thought I'd anyway make it, so I like it. And tell me what you think of it. Please comment and tell me what you think of it. And thanks for watching. I just thought I'd show you that. Please subscribe and watch my new videos coming up soon. And thanks for watching.